Hello and welcome all my friends. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today I am going to discuss about one topic which is the most discussed topic in the recent history in the country and all over the world. That is depression. So let us first understand what is depression. Depression, in my opinion, I am not any kind of big motivational speaker or inspirer or inspirational speaker, but I can to say what I realized from my life. Depression is all about in our life, in our physical life or material life, we set some kind of expectation in terms of our well-being, everything about material life, and when those expectations are not fulfilled, we just getting depressed. Depression is not any kind of existential reality. It is only reality in our mind. Remember, when you are little child, do you depress? No, you don't. You simply wake up, you simply play, you simply be joyful no matter whatever happen. When I see people, memory and imagination, these two are the most greatest important faculty in our life. Vivid sense of memory and fantastic sense of imagination. What happened is people are suffering what happened 10 years ago still now, and what can happen tomorrow. So there is no psychological identity, there is no existential identity. In most of the cases, if we see that problem happened few years ago, but still we are suffering. Maybe this kind of problem not exist right now, but we still are suffering that. Why? Because simply our main psychological drama is constantly going on, and our mind and our emotion is not taking instruction from us. So first of all, we must to make ourselves in such a way that our mind, our emotion must take instruction from us. And talking about depression, the whole world's people going to sleep, and in the morning almost over a quarter million people not waking up, and you are one of these who wake up, who can experience this vast existence. So when you wake up, give a big laugh. Oh, I am still alive. It's a great day, man. I am still alive, and people who matters to you is alive. So that is the most important things. It is important our survival, but no matter what, our home, car, job, business or anything, that is only survival. Just now do one experiment, that you are depressed, but does your body depress? Just hold your nose and your face, just see what happens. No, you can be depressed, but your whole life, your life, that which is vibrating, which is reverberating inside you, that don't want to be depressed, or that don't want to be done nothing, that want to always to be in very joyful mode. We give so much importance to our mind, that mind is everything. Our drama is constantly going on. We must to understand what is mind. Mind cannot to work without information. We store information in our mind, and that's only when mind can work. Mind cannot to function without information. So that is the whole scenario about depression. Don't be depressed, you are alive, man. A cow, a goat, a tiny little worm, a insect, a grasshopper, no one depressed, only human being are alive. When you have food and you have the essential things to survive in life, why you depressed? Just live, just experience this vast existence that is happening all the time to sustaining us, and make yourself in such a way that no matter whatever happen, but whatever coming in our way, we are absolutely fine, we are absolutely great, no problem with that. Maybe in existence, in physical reality, not everything going to happen the way we want all the time, but we must make ourselves in such a way, we must merge ourselves with the whole cosmic such a way that whatever happen we are fine. And life is always progressing, because life gives you all these things so that you can filter yourself and go to your ultimate purpose, what you have born for, what you want to do, what is your goal. So life is always giving you step by step process so that you can or we can filter ourselves to go to our ultimate destiny. If life not obstacle us, if life not gives us problem, then we will not see what lies in the wall outside. Maybe there can be great things, but if not problem happen, if not life stop, if not we contemplate, we cannot to see such things. So please, I request all of you, no matter whatever happen, just do what you needed, just what needed to do, and what really worthwhile and what really matters to you, and definitely have the clarity and the vision of what you want to do. Then we will can do what matter for us and what matter for the whole world. So there is nothing all about depression. It is all about our unconscious psychological process that constantly going on. Then tell me, why all these people who have well to do, who have all the material well-being, but still why they are not, why they are depressed, why they are taking their lives? It is because their mind, their body, their emotion not taking instruction from them. So we must to ensure that our own existence, our own body, our mind, our emotion, everyone must to take instruction from us, not from outside. Because if we live by outside drama or outside situation, then we will be always slave to the situation. Our life will be disaster and full of turmoil. So please don't do that harm to yourself. Just be alive. If we alive, that's only matter. We are alive, and from here everything start. Nothing is more important than that. These sorts of life is just want to grow. This life want to grow. This life want to alive. This life just live a full-fledged life. Full-fledged life means we must go to the deep, to the core of what is our existence, what is our deepest potentiality, what is our deepest core, and we must to explore that. Not our money. Yes, money and all these things happen, but these things are not the ultimate or paramount important. Paramount important is our life, and we are alive. Tomorrow we can create what we want, no matter, no problem. Today is not going in our way, but tomorrow can be our day, what we want to do. So we must to strive towards that, and that's it. Stay healthy always, stay wonderful, stay joyful. Most importantly, stay happy always, no matter. And in our life, always remind, no matter. If we do not do what we cannot do, no problem. But if we do not do what we can do, then really we are a disaster. Thank you so very much. Have a great life ahead. Be straight, be bold. Namaskar. And last but not least, please, if you find this is important, then please give a thumbs up to the video, like the video, and subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you so much. Namaskar.